Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipt on Instagram. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And first of all, we can open our Instagram profile. We can click on this profile button and tap on these three lines on the top right corner of our screen and click on the messages and story replies. It's right here. Okay, and here you can turn off your read receipt on your Instagram. You just need to click on this option, show read receipt, and if you want to disable the read receipt, you can click on the circle button. Okay, and now my read receipt on my Instagram has been turned off, and the steps are very simple, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can disable read receipt on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.